everybody, my name is Christopher Lambert. I'm the head coach at Sheffield Self-Defense, Jiu-Jitsu. I'm a brown belt at Valente Brothers Academy in Miami. And here in the UK, we're going to show you how to clean the mats and how we do things. Actually, the whole school. Our school is pretty easy to clean due to we're not a gym because we don't have equipment. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is floor gel, and what I have here is 90% floor gel, 90% alcohol floor gel, which destroys pretty much everything to life. You have to dilute it because it's extremely powerful to make sure it's safe. Okay, so let's get to it and show you how we do things. So what we need is a steamer. You don't have to use a steamer, a mop will do, but the heat from the steamer is also helpful. And here is the floor gel. It's diluted already, so watch what I do. I just literally start from here, and I literally just pour it down the mat like this. The rest of it is going to do the wooden floor, the laminated floor. So, and then very simply, with the steamer on, we start to clean. So first things first, we need to do the walls. So we hit the walls. And then we start on the floor. Very simple. Go from one edge. Okay, so we're going to get to the end, and then we're going to show you the rest of the cleaning, okay? As you can see, we've cleaned the mats, and try and get as deep as you can, pushing hard with the steamer. Now it's on to cleaning other parts of the gym, of the school, should I say, academy. We have dummies that we'll be using for the group classes, so let's show you how to clean them too, okay? So we're here, we're using dummies at the moment. We have different types of dummies. This is more of a throwing dummy, so I'm going to show you how to clean it, but they all clean the same way. Leather, obviously, so it's whatever the material is, it's easy to clean. So all we do is, realistically, is dip into the cloth, which I've already done really, rinse it out. Make sure you wash your hands straight after, by the way, because it's not good for your hands. Using the same chemical we used, the 90% alcohol. Just wipe around it, clean it up. Same with, it doesn't take much clean. So now we have a clean dummy. Okay, usually I do with gloves on and then I put it on the side, but for today's purpose, I'm just showing you how we do it. I'm just gonna clean it up and move it to the side, and then do it again, which I'll be doing some tests on the dummy myself later on and seeing how long it takes me to clean before the next students. Right now we need to time a lot of, get a lot of timing done to see how long it's going to take between each class so we can clean things up. So yes, we have to do some experimenting right now, but that's how we clean the dummy. Thank you very much. So cleaning in the toilet, as we call it in England, or restroom over in America, it's a tool towel job. Let me just put this down for now. So first things first is get some of your gel, and I wipe the toilet seat down, give it a good clean. Also on the inside too is very important, but I'm not going to show you that right now, because mainly what I want to show you is the parts that everyone's going to be touching. So I leave a towel, we change after each class. On the side here with some antibacterial, and they can spray the seat down before they sit down if needed to, or spray the top, whatever they would like to do. And there will be another towel on the side here which will be for the sink. If you want to wipe the sink down, I'm going to do the same process on the sink as I did the toilet, with the taps and everything. And don't forget that also you need to clean the door handles too. These are also very important. Don't forget the outdoor handle as they come through the door. In the summertime right now we don't need to have the door closed, of course. So I've just cleaned the toilet floor, restroom, whatever you want to call it, with the steam mop. And now I'm going to clean through the school. Once you've cleaned through the school with the steam mop, oh, by the way, I do the same process where I spill the 90% alcohol on the floor, diluted along the floor. I do the same technique and wipe through my school. Front desk also will be wiped down, which is very important too. So that's how I clean my school. That's what I advise. It's very effective. Never had any problems in my school with any type of infection or disease so far. So we do the best we can, but of course don't drive yourselves crazy. Clean the school, do it every day. If you know that an elderly student is coming in, make sure that you clean right after the last student was in. If you're doing private classes, my private room, I make sure that it's clean every day, and then I clean it in the afternoon too to make sure it's fine for each student coming through the door. If you have any questions, oh, actually, I have one more thing to say as well. Actually, we also have disinfectant spray to clean up the sweat. Whenever a student is being through the door, if you see sweat on the floor, we clean the mat, we clean the sweat right after the class immediately. It's very important. Okay. Like I said, the front desk gets cleaned, disinfected. I pretty much said it all. Really, handles on the changing rooms, everywhere. Right now, showers are out of commission. Not too sure if I agree on that, because if you get a shower right away and leave after class, I think that would probably be better in my opinion. But I suppose they're worried about people waiting in the school, being here longer than necessary. They just want to get them outdoors. So I get that side too.